Wednesday, July 24th, 2024. Saint Charbel Makhlouf. Focus. Do not say, I am only a youth. One beautiful thing about the Catholic Church is the ministerial priesthood. It is amazing how God chooses young men of diverse backgrounds, intellectual capabilities, and social strata to be His priests. He does not necessarily choose the qualified, but He surely qualifies those He has chosen. In today's first reading, we see how God chose Jeremiah to be His prophet. Jeremiah tried to wriggle out, saying that he was still a boy and did not have the necessary abilities to fulfill the task that God was entrusting to him. God told him not to feel that he was too young. He promised to put his own words in Jeremiah's mouth and that he would be with him to deliver him from all danger. Jeremiah finally consented to God's plan and went on to become a great prophet, bringing many back to the right path. We may perhaps have known some boy who wanted to become a priest. Maybe we were not convinced that he was suited to the priesthood. Yet, he was eventually transformed into a fearless and fiery preacher, or perhaps a gentle shepherd to lead the faithful to God. How did this turnaround happen? Only because God did to him what He did to Jeremiah. Fruit. Let us not discourage boys who feel called to the priesthood just because we believe they do not have what it takes to be a priest.